Ngayon nga walang tigil ang pagulan, uso na naman ang sakit. At ngayon, nagpa-consult ako sa doktor ko at he recommended me to take multivitamins and as well as eating fruits and vegetables. Guys, I have here fruits and grapes. Right now we're going to add Himalayan salt and let's dig into it. Try natin muna ang fruits and grapes by itself. Sobrang tamis. Alam nyo guys, nabili ko lang to ng 150 pesos. Isang tab na siya ng ganong kalaki. Mura siya for that price that I got it. Now we're going to add Himalayan salt. And I got shaker. That is perfect then to use on your salt, rock salt. If you just wanted to have like a fine salt, this is perfect device that you can use. Now let's add this. May option dito guys kung gaano ka pino yung salt o yung pepper depending on your preference. Grabe yung tamis at crunch. Huwag kalimutang i-like, i-follow, and comment kung anong gusto nyo makita sa next video natin. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!